What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I'm in the F250 right now. Was going to do a charger video today, but I wasn't able to do it. So going to do a little video on the F250. So did something to the truck I've been wanting to do for a little while. So let me get out and show you guys what I've done. Looks freaking sweet. I love it. So as you notice, there's no door steps. Took the factory door steps off. I think it looks a heck of a lot better. Then I realized, man, I'm a little too short to be jumping up in this thing. I went ahead, pulled the trigger, got these ant research door steps. Freaking love these things. So cool. What I like about them on the Ford is they go up underneath the truck enough to where you can't even see them. So got the passenger sides on too. Like I said, they work. Doors are locked. Anyways, passenger sides on. Does the same thing driver's side does. So it's nothing crazy. Install was pretty simple. Just plugs into your OBD2 port. I still gotta tie my wires up because I kind of threw them on. Didn't take long at all though, but they freaking look sweet. So I freaking love them. So I was kind of debating on getting them for a little while because I've really been talking about them for over a month, and so I finally pulled the trigger. Check this out, little turbo. So I finally pulled the trigger. The freaking steps are expensive. Like, they're really, you get your money's worth because they are really expensive. They're like $1,400 I think I paid for these, and but the install is pretty simple. It's pretty straightforward. It says like the experience level from 1 to 4 is like a 4, but to be honest with you, I think it's like a 2 to 3 because it's pretty simple. I mean, you're just running. It's got a wiring harness, all plug and play. Wiring harness, you tie it to your battery. It's got a positive, it's got a ground, and it's got a little box. Plug your wiring harness in, runs to one side, runs to the other. It's got your motor and an idler, which is from your arms, and plugs in. The only thing you gotta do is splice your lights. Push my lights right here, drill a hole in the peach wheel, push it right there, and it's got like a little rubber grommet. Like I said, this one right here is the one that's got the motor. Can't show you guys right now because I don't want to get on the ground, but they're pretty freaking sturdy. I mean, they say 600 pounds, but I did have one issue. I don't know if there's an issue with the F250s, my year model with it, but my passenger side, I noticed it wouldn't come down the other day. I was ran it a couple times to make sure everything worked properly, and then all of a sudden it wouldn't come down. So I was like, oh great. So it ended up coming down, but the freaking thing wouldn't go back up. So I was like, what the heck? I unplugged them, everything, still wouldn't go back up. So I was like, man, don't tell me this thing don't burn up already or something. Well, finally popped the hood, pulled the fuse out of it, and it finally went back up. So I was like, all right, well, put the fuse back in, started working. So I was like, all right, cool. So got home and started looking up under the truck because I could hear, for some reason, the passenger side kept vibrating. So I was wondering what it was, and the motor part or not the motor itself, but the front arm that's got the motor on it was touching the transmission crossmember just a hair. So I was like, what the heck? So I kind of looked at the instructions, like maybe I put it in the wrong spot. No, it's in the right spot. So I started looking, and I ended up grinding maybe like 1 millimeter or 2 millimeters, just enough. I mean, I'm talking about a hair of the transmission crossmember, just the surface of it. You know, not enough to structurally damage anything. So I just grinded it just a little bit. The transmission crossmember, fine. No more vibrating. Freaking thing works perfect. So that's the only thing I've run into issue-wise. But other than that, I freaking love them, man. They are sick. Roll this one down. I got a bunch of bull crap in my door. It's so freaking cool. because it makes the truck look taller, obviously, because it doesn't have running boards on it. I sold my factory platinum running boards because I knew if I were to keep them, they're going to sit around my house and do nothing and just take up space. So sold those, which is pretty cool. But like I said, these things right here, freaking cool, man. I like it. So yeah, guys, anyways, like I said, I got the door steps on. I'll just go ahead and show you the passenger side since I'm already right here. So the passenger side does the same thing as the driver's side, but just in case you guys want to see it. And if you open just the passenger side, only the passenger side opens. They open with the rear door or the front door, doesn't matter which one. They go back up. So, which is really cool because you don't even see it. So, anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. I'll do a little more of an in-depth tour, and I'll do more of a video as the steps get older. See if I run into any issues. I know a couple guys say they've run into some issues with them, but so far, I've had them on for like 2 days. So they look really good because you can't see them. And the grip on them is really good too. I got it on them the other day when it was wet. I mean, talk about, it's like, they're grippy, man. It's got a textured top and bottom side, the whole steps texture, and it's really, really lightweight. The steps don't weigh much. They're probably like 20 pounds, maybe, if that. So they're not heavy at all. So anyways, guys, if you want to make your truck, not only F250s, they sell them for Jeeps, everything. I highly recommend getting them. If you're on the fence about them, just go ahead and do it, man. They freaking look good. They work perfect. I love them. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. Please be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. More content for the truck coming, more stuff coming for the truck, because I want to get some more truck people in here, but also don't want to do away with my Dodge stuff because I got Dodge stuff coming too. Especially, I got a little, alright, for some reason the camera cut off. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. We got something coming that's very, very special. It's a 70s model Mopar, I'll just say that. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe. Peace.